We have workshops ranging from public speaking, how to present yourself, your projects, to how to be more emotionally intelligent, how to communicate with people from different backgrounds, how to create teams that actually achieve their goals, and how to find friends and network, which is extremely helpful for all of us.
Universidad de los Andes joined the Open Society University Network in 2020. Since then and throughout these 4 years, we have been able to collaborate in different initiatives that impact our faculty, our students, our classes, our courses, and as part of this collaboration, we have been able to host a group of fellows this week in Uniandes.
Last year was our first inaugural group, and we were here in Bogotá. Since then, students have been able to launch projects on their campus ranging from disability awareness to how to debate, conferences on leadership and public speaking, and also developing podcasts to amplify student voices.
A lo largo de toda esta semana hemos estado trabajando en leadership workshops, hemos estado trabajando en mejorar áreas como comunicación asertiva, habilidades blandas, cómo establecer un buen proyecto y un proyecto factible.
So it's really a great experience, like getting to know yourself better with the exercise and then self-reflection, because like knowing yourself better is really important, you know, especially like when you become a leader. So you know, you're gonna need to know more about you, and then that will actually guide you to become a better person.
Desde muy pequeña, de hecho desde los 18 años, he estado involucrada en escuelas de formación política y en espacios de liderazgo. Sin embargo, nunca había estado en un espacio en donde se hable de tener cuidado personal. Se hable de dormir bien, se hable de hacer deporte, se hable de compartir el espacio y de empoderar a otros para que sean líderes.
One of my favorite workshops was on self-care in relation to leadership, and how important that is, even though it's a topic that we so often ignore.
I was one of the primary facilitators of this program, so I ran a daily public speaking and debate workshop to get people used to communicating their ideas, working on pitching their projects, really thinking through how to not only act as a leader behind the scenes and think about how to promote their ideas, but how to fit their ideas into a public space.
This program is very important because it brings students across the world to answer the question, what can we do together that we cannot do alone? Students are learning from each other, from what they learn on their campuses, going deep and reflecting on the skills that they bring to the table, and have the opportunity to network together and amplify some of their programs.
Being a part of this program is really empowering and at the same time eyes-opening, because I got the chance to meet with people, the leaders, the activists, the people who are working for the communities here, and then I got the chance to hear their stories and learn from them. So this is a very eyes-opening for me, at the same time empowering to do something much better and really impactful for my communities back to my home in my country.
It has been a very exciting journey, and I am proud and happy and feel so privileged to be part of it. It has been a great honor and an exciting journey to be part of it.
All the participants come from different backgrounds and fields, but I believe that the skills that I've achieved and got so far have been extremely helpful in my career and future journey.
So yeah, it's about like you get the chance to combine your idea with the other people from different cultures and different backgrounds. So I think like this experience is going to be something that will leverage my project to some extent.
It's been really great being here in Bogotá. It's been great being around such a group of interesting and diverse individuals, people from all across the world. Working with people on a global level is so interesting.
This is my second time here in Bogotá for this experience. I think it's been phenomenal both times, getting to see how different students from around the world approach the topics that we discuss.
We've got to see so many facilities starting from sports and dancing classes, and we've got to see many facilities for students from engineering to music, and maybe I'll get to go on my exchange abroad here because it's an extremely beautiful campus.
We had a Colombian music group that performed
different songs and dances from all around South America, and it was an incredible cultural experience that we had a chance to share with all our fellows.
My experience in Bogotá and being part of this program has been so exciting. I have met people from diverse backgrounds, different cultural backgrounds, different religious backgrounds, and it has been a great experience. I have had a few cultural shocks.
So applying for this program has been really great, and it's everything I wanted it to be. I'm really happy to be here.
So we certainly hope this was a memorable week for the students, the staff. We here at Uniandes enjoy very much working with our colleagues at OSUN, and certainly looking forward to more fruitful and enriching collaboration, and for hosting more groups, having more certificates, more courses. This is OSUN's home in the middle of the Andes.